Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making some creamy jerk salmon stuffed shells. They are packed with flaky, perfectly seasoned salmon, rich cheese, and a bold Caribbean jerk flavor. They are baked in a beautiful, delicious marinara sauce, and everything that I'm using, including instructions, will be in the description box listed down below. So after seasoning your salmon with the jerk marinade, you're going to pan-sear both sides. So after which you are going to use a fork and flake the salmon out. It is nice and juicy, guys. Let me show you how this is, how it's looking. Look at that salmon. Awesome. And now you are going to mix your room temperature cream cheese with some spinach. And then you are going to fold in your chunky salmon bits. And you are going to also add some Parmesan cheese. We're using some big jumbo shells as well. Boil that to the instructions on the packet. So we're using marinara sauce, and we are going to stuff our shells. You can add some cheese as well. And then you're going to add your shells up top. Bake until the cheese melts, and this is what it looks like. Absolutely delicious. Enjoy. Love you guys. Do not forget to subscribe.